Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about a 75-day study plan for TISSNET 2020. This is going to help you in your revision as well as it is going to help everyone who is going to start from scratch from now on. 75 days are enough to crack an exam like TISSNET if you focus on the right set of topics which are going to have higher weight in the examination. And hence, I request all of you to focus on the sequence of these topics, on the topics mentioned, because if there is anything which is not mentioned in it, it is definitely not worthy of your time in next 75 days, especially in the quant section, because quant section is one of the areas where I see a lot of people ending up wasting a lot of time and solving those questions which are not of much importance. So let's begin the plan. In the month of October, at the time of making this video, we have approximately 10 days left with us. In Con, DI and LR, you should be doing percentages, averages, tables, ratio and proportion, bar graphs as the major topics to be covered. Remember that if you are solving from RS Agarwal, do not solve more than 75 questions of any of these topics from the book, or if say you are solving Arun Sharma or Nishit Sinha, just do LOD1. In GK, you should be doing government schemes ebook, you should be doing all the fact sheets from July to September, then the census ebook, and you should start off with social and economic issues ebook as well. In verbal, just do reading comprehension. In terms of mock tests, so you should be taking one mock test on October 25 and one on October 30th or 31st. Don't worry about how much syllabus you have covered, but ensure to take these mocks so that you get accustomed to the difficulty level of the paper, pattern, question distribution, etc., and you are able to plan much more effectively moving forward. And hence, it's important that you take at least two mock tests in the month of October. Coming to the month of November, November 1 to November 15 for Con, DI and LR, focus on line graphs, pie charts, sequence and series, data sufficiency, family tree, profit and loss. These are the topics which you should be focusing on when it comes to this particular section. In GK, complete the remaining part of social and economic issues ebook. You should then do geography ebook and then the ebooks on arts, dance, culture, tribes, military exercises. Verbal, continue with vocabulary and do sentence correction as well. In November 16 to November 30th period, in maths, you should be doing mixture allegations, mean, median, mode, statement, assumption, conclusion, and syllogism from LR. In GK, polity ebook is what you should definitely be completing. Sports ebook, we will be releasing a special ebook on economy as well that you should complete. Then books and authors, and revise social economic issues ebook and government schemes ebook when it comes to the GK part. In verbal, you should be doing vocabulary as a continued process, and then couple it with para jumbles. In the month of November, we suggest you to take one mock test every 5 days so that you are able to track your regular progress as well. This is how your November should look like. When we move to December, in the first half of December, in maths, you should be doing linear equations. Then from LR, you should be doing seating arrangement. Then again from maths, you should be doing time and work, time, speed, and distance. From GK, you should be doing the history ebook, the business awareness ebook, the remaining pending fact sheets, and going through all the GK revision videos, which we will start releasing from Diwali. Then verbal, you should be continuing with vocabulary and practice a bit more on reading comprehension side. Second half of December, focus on basics of trigonometry, the simple interest as a topic, and then revise arithmetic and DI very rigorously so that you are able to solve all the questions from arithmetic and DI with 100% accuracy and 100% attempt in the paper. In GK, you should be doing science ebook, you should be revising social economic issues ebook, government schemes ebook, revise any other ebook which you found tough, and then yes, definitely with a focus on GK revision videos as well. And while in verbal, vocabulary will continue. In the month of December, you should be taking one mock test every 3 days. So that is how your December should look like. I am not talking about January because you just have 3 days in January. So that should be just revision and review of your mocks or any formula sheet or anything which you have found tough. And at the end of the day, if you are still to prepare from start, I would suggest you to check out the TISSNET coaching course. And I can tell you that even if say you are not able to give us 90 days, even if you give the course 75 days and follow this study plan, 65 plus score is something which has gone nowhere, and with some dedicated efforts and some sincere determination from your side, you can even score 70 plus in the remaining 75 days. And about the course, we have had 137 selections in tests last year, which is highest across coachings. In case you are already preparing for maths, LRDI, verbal from somewhere else, you can enroll for test GK and mock test series, which consists of 20 full-length mocks, 35 GK books, 150 GK tests, and 15 sectionals. Thank you everyone to watch this video, and I hope this study plan helps you in streamlining your preparation for the remaining 75 days. And if you found this video valuable for you, do not forget to hit the bell icon on the top right hand side and subscribe to the channel. And yes, do download Career MBA app today from Play Store to access free videos, articles, and now we even have free GK tests on the app. Thank you everyone. Wish you all the best for the examination.